what I would like to do is ask Ms. McCroskey to come and to give her statement, to give her information that she would like to present to us as a commission. But I do want to remind you, we're limited in as a commission, we're very limited in our powers over this office. It's a separately elected office, and I want you to understand that we are a part of the Justice Committee and also the Audit Committee, and so those discussions can occur later in other arenas, but I don't want today to turn into something that it should not be. So, Ms. McCroskey, if you'd like to come forward.
Joy McCroskey, Criminal Court Clerk, room 149, City County Building. I just have a few statements and comments to make. First, I want to apologize about last Monday. I had no idea anybody needed to see me. And then when I talked with purchasing, they told me you'd moved my collection item to the consent agenda for today. So that's when I left. So I do apologize for that. Thank you for inviting me, Mr. Anders. I'm happy to have this opportunity to separate fact from fiction concerning recent allegations about the offices of Knox County Criminal and General Sessions Courts. I served 9 courts, 3 in criminal court, 5 in general sessions, and 1 in 4th Circuit. And the vast majority of these allegations come from one of those courts. It is a division of General Sessions Court, the Bonded Arraignment, and Traffic Court. The allegations are contained in inter-office emails written by an assistant district attorney and were never provided to me. I have prepared a response today to those emails. I went to the law director and I called and asked him about them, and he said he had been sent a copy. He was gracious enough to give me a copy of his emails. That's all I have to go on. It needs to be stated that last year alone, we handled about 70,000 cases in criminal and sessions courts. On average, we handle more than 75,000 cases a year. I would like to point out that we have had problems in far less than 1% of those cases. We strive for professionalism in all courts, but mistakes unfortunately happen. I apologize for my mistakes, any that my offices have made, based on the allegations I have received on several defendants being arrested. I'm providing you with copies, and I think you all have a copy of that, of my response and the records from the office. Based on the allegations made, I find no fault with the Sheriff's Department. I found one mistake that the clerk's office made in failing to issue a release on a person. There's still a question as to whether another county wanted him or not, but we should have done a release for Knox County. I will be glad to talk to each and every one of you once you've reviewed this information. So therefore, I won't be taking questions today. In closing, I would just like to say that for me, the clerk's office is not just a job. Even though I am now the elected clerk, the work of that office has been my life's work for 45 years, and I'm proud of that. I feel very fortunate to be a public servant in Knox County. I am very proud of the employees in the offices and the good work that they do. That's all I have, so thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mr. McCroskey.